The Finance Ministry has issued a strict directive to its officers prohibiting the use of AI tools and applications like ChatGPT and DeepSeek on office computers and devices, citing risks to the confidentiality of government data and documents. The ministry emphasized the need for caution in handling sensitive information. In a communication sent in January, the Department of Expenditure made it clear that AI powered tools should be strictly avoided in official systems. The move aligns with global concerns as countries like Australia and Italy have already restricted the use of China's DeepSeek due to privacy and data security risks. Meanwhile, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is currently in India engaging with top government officials and industry leaders. His visit coincides with the growing global interest in DeepSeek's latest AI model, which has made headlines for its remarkably low development cost, just $6 million, a fraction of the billions typically spent on similar models.